Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're frustrated because you're not getting notifications on your iPhone for Messenger in 2025, you're in the right place. This is a common issue, but don't worry. I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that should get you back on track in no time. Whether it's due to settings glitches or software updates, we'll cover it all. First, let's start with the basics. Open your Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, find Messenger in the list and make sure it's enabled. If it's not, toggle it on. Also, check the Allow Notifications option and ensure that sounds, badges, and banners are set to your preference. This is often the culprit for missing alerts. Next, head over to the Messenger app itself. Open the app, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner, and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, select Notifications and verify that all the options like messages and calls are turned on. If you've recently updated to iOS 19 or whatever the latest version is in 2025, there might be new toggles here, so double-check everything. Another quick fix. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't silencing your notifications. Go back to Settings, tap Focus, and ensure no modes are active that might be blocking Messenger. If they are, turn them off or add Messenger as an exception. If that doesn't work, try restarting your iPhone. Hold down the side button and a volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide it, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This can resolve temporary software bugs. Also, check for app updates. Go to the App Store, tap your profile icon, and update Messenger if there's a new version available. Outdated apps can cause notification issues, especially with the advanced features in 2025's iOS. One more thing. If you're still having problems, go to Settings, General greater than iPhone storage, find Messenger, and tap Offload app, or reinstall it. This clears any corrupted data without losing your chats. There you have it. Easy steps to fix your notification woes. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay connected.